how to start a new field from your main plant screen. So let's say you're done planting a field, you're moving to the next field. There's a couple ways to do it, kind of depending on really how far your travel distance is. All right, so let's say you're done with a field and you're just simply moving across the road or next to the next fence line to go to the next field. In that case, of course, we're done with this field. We're going to press home, and it's going to give you three options. One, no, stay here, which, hey, I pressed that button by accident. I want to go back to where I was. Yes, select a new task, or yes, go home. The differences between those two tabs, if I select yes, go home, it's going to take us back to our main home screen, and all of the fans and everything is going to shut down, kind of like you're starting fresh for the day. I would use that if we're traveling long distances down the road. We don't want all those fans and things running when they don't need to be. If I'm just moving a very short distance, I'm folding up, going across the road, unfolding and starting a new field, what I would do is if you utilize this select new task feature, if I press on this item, it takes us right to the choose the plant task item. So we're going to make a new one. We're starting a new field. So that process is the same. The nice part is all of your fans and vacuum and bulk fill and all those stay running and stay charged. So you don't lose prime. It's just a little quicker, a little more efficient to get up and running in that next field. So I'm going to press add. Again, select all of my information at the top. So again, I'm going to select my grower, farm, and field. Hit my checkbox. Everything is where I want it to be. Hit my plant, and I'm right back running again. So you don't have to worry about priming the meters again, anything of that nature, because again, we use that start a new task feature without going home. If I press home, and in this case, instead of selecting yes, select new task, and I press yes, go home, again, driving longer distances, we come back to the home page, all my fans shut down, so nothing's running when I don't need it. We're driving that 10, 15 minutes, an hour, wherever we need to go. It's a longer travel distance. Use that. Comes back to our home page, and then again, when you get to your new field, we're going to hit plant. Same process, but again, now we're going to have to worry about or ensure that we prime prior to starting to plant. So those are the two differences, switching between tasks. Short, quick changeover by, again, pressing home. Start new task. Your fans stay running. You're ready to go a little more efficient. No, go home. Takes you back to the home screen where we are here. And again, shuts off all of the fans, so you're kind of starting like you're fresh for the day. So two options, give you some flexibility depending on your travel distance and make you a little more efficient in that planning transition.